Hi everybody, so today we're going to be taking a look at another Subohm tank. This is actually from Augvape, and this is the Skynet mesh coil Subohm tank. And the reason why I call it mesh coil is because it does come with two coils. Both of them are mesh. They're 0.15 resistance, and yeah, let's go ahead and go down and we'll talk more about it. Okay, so here we are with the Skynet Subohm tank. This is by Augvape, and I was super stoked to get this because I have not had any tanks from Augvape. Sorry about that. I've had RTAs or RDAs and things like that, but never ever a Subohm tank. So I was really excited because I've got a lot of subscribers that are into Subohm tanks, and this is going to be a good one for you. On the box, you're going to see Augvape everywhere, and on the back, it's going to give some specifications as well as the standard configurations. The exciting part I have to tell you about this packaging is that it literally tells you on the package everything you need to know about what's included. I think this is the best type of packaging ever. With the bubble glass, it is 5.1 milliliter e-liquid capacity. With the straight glass, 3.6 milliliter e-liquid capacity, and you've got a mesh 0.15 coil. So I think that is awesome. Again, it does come with the straight glass. In addition to the straight glass, you will of course be getting some additional seals and O-rings and things like that. Another plus to this tank is that it automatically comes with the bubble glass on it. I love bubble glasses. Anybody who knows me knows that I love bubble glasses. So having the bubble glass already installed to me is a plus. You also get the extra 0.15 ohm mesh coil, as you can see in there. And this is the coil here. It does say the 0.15 ohms, and this is actually good for 60 to 80 watts. And yeah, so this is their extra coil. And let's just put this aside real quick. We're going to take more of a look at this. I love this drip tip. I love frosted shit. I don't know what it is, but I love it when it comes frosted. This is a nice beefy 810 drip tip. It is nice and tall. It's everything that I love about it. I just think that it's perfect. So it is 810 Goon style compatible. It does have top airflow. All you need to do is just half a turn unscrew. It's got a nice seal in here, so that will prevent any type of leaking. Two huge fill holes on either side, never down the middle, don't forget that. So that's automatically like, oh, amazing to me. I love big juice fill holes. Love the drip tip. So far just on the top, I'm happy with it. Up to the bubble glass, right? On the bottom, it is a 24 millimeter tank. It does say designed by Augvape. There's your serial number. It does have a protruding 510 pin. It does have 3 different airflow slots. Whatever you do to one will happen to the other, and they are on a stopper. To change out your coil or to clean it, all you need to do is unscrew the base. And when you do, the base with the coil will come out like this, and then you can change out your glass if you want to. I'm actually going to leave the bubble glass because I like the 5.1 mil capacity. To change out your coil, all you need to do is just unscrew the coil from the base like this. Once it's unscrewed, you just go ahead and put in your new coil. And I always recommend, always thread it backwards. Thread it backwards until it clips into the threading, and then screw it back in. If you do it this way, most of the time, for 75% of the time, you're not going to have leaking for that reason. I get a lot of people that ask me those questions, and they're usually having problems because of the fact that their coil has not threaded on correctly. So what I am going to do is go ahead and prime up the coil. This again is another mesh coil. They're both the exact same identical coil. I'm actually going to be using this chilled milk. I'm in love with this stuff. This is the vanilla flavor. Yum. If you haven't seen my review, I have it down below. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and wet your cotton. You don't want to over soak it, but you do want to put some on the cotton just to get the cotton wet, or start to get it wet. And then what I do is I also put it on the cotton that's on the outside. This is organic cotton, of course. And yeah, so that'll get it started. Then you're going to put it together. Screw that in just like this. And then that's it. All you got to do is just open up the top. Look how freaking easy. I love this top. Look at that. Half a turn and it's open. Love this. And then down either one of those slits, just go ahead and put your juice. Wow. This is just so... I love I love bubble glass, and I love big juice fills because that way it doesn't take you any time. You can literally pour it in there. And then watch this. Not even a half a turn. It's done. Awesome. It does say Augvape here and then Augvape here, but being that this is black, you really can't see it that much, but I do like the design of it. And I love the symbolism down here. I think that this is just a sexy looking tank. So we're going to go ahead and put this on my Snow Wolf M-Fang. And we're going to take it on top and we're going to vape it. And I'm going to tell you my pros and cons. Okay, so here we are back on top. And before anything, I'm going to go ahead and have a vape. I don't know how to say this because I don't want to seem like, I know that taste is subjective and that's for e-liquid taste. I know that coils, I guess, could be subjective as well because I've tried so many different mesh coils and I have to tell you that I'm in love with these mesh coils. I don't know what it is with them, but listen to it. That's all the way open. And I'm getting tremendous flavor. Like literally, I feel like I am drinking my iced milk, my vanilla iced milk. Like literally, I mean, it's just as good as an RDA, in my opinion. This coil is amazing. I don't know. Congratulations, Augvape, because you hit it out of the park with this. I'm getting tremendous flavor. I love the looks of it. I think that it looks great. These little tiny little teeny weeny drip tips are not for me. It comes with a perfect size drip tip in my opinion. I love the frosted on it. It matches my mod now. But it has tremendous airflow, and I think it's because of 3 airflow slits. I've had other Subohm tanks that I've reviewed in the past, and I told you, and I'm going to repeat it again. Having the 3, it makes it feel like the airflow is even. And I don't know how to explain that, but it just makes it more even than just on 2 sides. I don't know how that works. I know it's like a triangular system that it goes through, but it brings better flavor, better airflow in my opinion. I currently have it at 73 watts. The coil is actually good from 60 to 80 watts, and I've got it on the high end of it. Let me go ahead and shut down the airflow some. I'm going to turn down the airflow some. Let me turn it down like halfway. Okay, so I've got the airflow like halfway. It's kind of hard to see because this is black, but there we go. All it did was enhance the flavor even more, and the flavor was amazing, fully open. So it's not getting hot. It's not getting hot at all. And that to me is a huge plus. I test and that was halfway closed because usually you get less heat with it fully open. That was halfway closed. I just opened it up again. I'm not getting any muted flavor. I'm not getting any dry hits. I'm not getting anything. I mean, you have to prime up your coils. You want to let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. But I'm telling you, straight off the bat, you're going to be getting amazing, amazing flavor from this. And even the better part about this is that this tank is only $24 on their website, $24.11. It's at augvape.com. Augvape. Look at me. I can't even talk. Augvape.com. And to me, this has amazing flavor for a mesh coil. And you saw that it's just a single mesh coil. It's nothing, it's not a dual, it's not a triple. It's really, really good. I like the fact that it's got the 5.1 millimeter or milliliter juice capacity. It comes with the other tank, the other glass, which holds 3.6 mLs of e-liquid. And it comes with the 2 coils. I think that it's just, and I love the top fill, just half turn. That's it, it's off. And put it back on, and it's done. So I tried to find cons. I honestly tried to find some cons, and for my vaping needs, for my opinion, I have no cons whatsoever. Flavor is on point, airflow is on point, the drip tip that it comes with is on point. The only thing that, if I'm gonna be nitpicky, that I would have to say is that it doesn't come with a 510 drip tip adapter. That would be the only con that I could come up with, is that. For some people, it might be a con that it doesn't come with an extra bubble glass. Instead, it comes with a straight glass. But as I've said in my reviews before, some people don't like the bubble glass. Some people like the look of the straight glass. So I see why they do the two different ones. But personally, I do like the bubble glass. I've always loved the bubble glass. So yeah, so this again is the Skynet Subohm tank by Augvape. And if you're looking for a Subohm tank that has mesh coils and it's got great flavor, amazing. Another big pro, I have to say, is this packaging. Having the packaging that has all the information right in the front is amazing. I love that. It tells you exactly how many milliliters this one was, how many milliliters this one is, and it tells you what the coil resistance is right there on the package. So kudos to you, Augvape. I think that you did a really, really great job. I did get this for review, but that does not skew my opinion. I will tell you if I like it, I don't like it, or whatever. Now, I love it. I can't lie. I do love this tank. It's got one of the best mesh coil tastes ever. I promise you. So if you need to find any more information out about this tank or any of their other products, I will leave the link down below. If you want to find me on any of my other social media, all that information is also down below. And I guess until the next one,